Say you running up the road, so get out the way. Push the pedal to the floor, blow them all away. Yeah, you see I'm getting close, I accelerate. Going faster than fast, hit the gas, lose control. I won't crash, rolling high. Put your money on the dash, throw the dice. Lose control, I won't crash, rolling low. I won't crash, when you slow, I won't crash, rolling. Say you running up the road, so get out the way. Push the pedal to the floor, blow them all away. Yeah, you see I'm getting close, I accelerate. Going faster than fast, hit the gas, lose control. I won't crash, running high. Put your money on the dash, throw the dice. Lose control, I won't crash, running low. I won't crash, when you slow, I won't crash, running. Say you running up the road, so get out the way. Push the pedal to the floor, blow them all away. Yeah, you see I'm getting close, I accelerate. Going faster than fast, hit the gas, lose control. I won't crash, rolling high. Put your money on the dash, roll the dice. Lose control, I won't crash, rolling low. I won't crash, when you slow, I won't crash, rolling. Say you running up the road, so get out the way. Push the pedal to the floor.
There we go, guys. There we go. So what is up? What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Like I said, I hope you guys are all having an amazing 2024 so far. There we go. Hope you guys are all having an amazing 2024 so far, guys. So let me take this off just so I can hold it and talk to you guys. Give me 1 second, ladies and gentlemen. So yeah, guys, so market, like I just said, is running up a little bit now. Now we're back up to 475, guys. I'm very curious to see what's gonna happen coming this week. I think this week will do it. It'll really tell where we're going with this. And then give me 1 second, guys. Gotta unplug this. All right. There we go. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So, and once again, I'm holding this here because it's very quiet if not. So if you see me holding this, that's why. But yeah, ladies and gentlemen, running up this week, guys, if I go here, I go to the economic calendar for the week. So if I go here, I go to economic. And guys, a little bit of a different setup as you guys see. You guys see my old closet. I don't use this closet. This is just where I keep a bunch of spare stuff. You guys can see door or whatnot. This is just a setup for today. Come tomorrow, you guys will have like a little bit of like a bay window setup in the background, so it'll be a little bit better. Yeah, this is just for today. I'm giving myself a little bit more space, a little bit more room, so I think it's pretty nice that I can actually get up, go do stuff. So, yup. So that's kind of the game plan here. All right, ladies and gentlemen, taking a look at the economic calendar for the day, guys. Today, it's going to be, obviously, Monday. We had nothing, obviously. Tuesday coming out, Empire State Manufacturing Survey, Fed Governor Christopher Waller speaks at 11. I don't think either of these are big news. I don't think either of these are really going to affect the market. Come tomorrow, though, 8:30 a.m. is packed. Retail sales, U.S. retail sales, important price index, both levels. Not really too much, though. It's packed, but it's nothing crazy. Guys, another Thursday, Friday. Here we go, guys. 8:30 a.m. on Thursday, the 18th, January 18th. You have initial jobless claims coming out. I think that'll do something. Friday, consumer sentiment. I know that will do something, right? Consumer sentiment, existing home sales. Those two will definitely do something at 10 a.m. And obviously, you have your 1 p.m. Fed Vice Chair Supervision, Michael Barr speaks. That'll be good as well. Guys, I'm waiting on a pullback. I have no trades under my belt today. I'm waiting for a pullback all the way back down to the price of $891 and or at least $900. So $890 to $900 is a pullback I'm waiting for a dip buy. If that doesn't come into play, I mean, you know, obviously you just got to wait, watch, and see. But yeah, man. So that's it for YB on the day, man. So nothing too crazy. Was going to run up a dual stream with Koshito, but I think he's, what is it? He's got some stuff going on. I thought we, what is it? Had that planned out. Sorry, taking a look over there. Sorry, I have 2 charts, dude. This is weird now. This is weird. I'm so used to having one chart over on my left, like left. Like you guys are usually on my left, and then I have like this chart on my right. But now I have to like, I'm looking over here because it's right over here, and then on my left it's a weird setup, guys. All right, it feels a little different. Let me tell you. Feels a little different. There you go. Okay. Good to go. Yep, so waiting for a pullback, guys. This was, guys, if I would have seen this dip buy, I would have taken it. There's zero reason to not take this dip buy right here, ladies and gentlemen. You have one touch of this 200 and view up, guys. You have another touch of this 200 and view up. I would have 100% taken it off that 920 dip, or even maybe even a little bit before. I would have taken it. 853 all across the board. This is a beautiful dip buy. I did not take it just because I didn't see it. I'm waiting for a pullback now to see if I can get involved. That's it. That's it. And you know, you wait, you have patience. ES is looking good as well, guys. I don't like ES as much. You know, I do want to see S&P maybe come back down a little bit underneath and then push back through. It seems to be a little choppy today, I'm not going to lie. So a little shortened week, guys. A little 4-day week, ladies and gentlemen. So nothing too crazy this week. Not a lot of big news. I'm really waiting and watching, man. And I've been waiting and watching. And we've been sitting around these highs. Right? If I go back to the weekly chart, guys, it has been 1, 2, 3. Look at that 1 week. Oh, my goodness. That's so ugly. Okay. First week, we pushed up to it. 1, 2, 3. It's been a month. We've been sitting around these 470s, guys. It has been a month now. Since 12/18, guys, we have been sitting around these highs. I'm not counting the initial push because we obviously started around 460 that week and then pushed up. But to be sitting around 470, it's been a month. For the initial push, it has been a little bit over 2 months. What is that? 10:30, 11:30. What is that? 11:30, 12:30. Like 2.5 months, I'd say around. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, almost 3. Never mind, guys. Almost 3. We've been on this push for almost 3. So, ladies and gentlemen, wow. It's been a day. It's been wow, yeah. NQ coming back down here. Waiting and watching. Gonna pull up NQ overall as well. Hopefully you guys can hear me well as well. Hold on, let's check that out. Can you guys hear me pretty well? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, this mic thing is pretty weird, I will say. Alright. There's our dip coming into play, guys. Looking at NQ overall here, yes. I like it. MNQ 10 contracts is what we're looking at here, guys. Looking for a dip across the board. Getting our dip across the board. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't know if that was already it. Might get filled on a small position of it. Might get filled on a small position of it. Ah.
Order filled.
Gonna get filled on a small position at first. Yeah, that's beautiful. Wow, look at that 50-day dip. I can see the rip and running coming back into play. Why? NQ overall. Look at NQ overall with its dip down to its 50 and coming back up. We have to wait and see as now, okay, just reclaimed. I want to see what happens. It's okay if it goes lower here. That's fine. That is completely fine by me. As I'm looking for the dip to come across the board. All right. There we go. Now that that's in there, that's just going to sit there while I'm obviously trading or whatnot. This feels so weird. I feel so far away from my screens, guys. I'm sure that's a bad thing. NQ overall, another dip buy. NQ overall coming back up. Push right above its view up again. Guys, I am going to wait and watch. Do not want to be too hesitant, though. If it crashes below, I don't want to be in it. That can happen. That can happen. That's a great dip buy right there, guys. I do want to load up. Coming back above it. I want to see it come back above, guys. I don't really want to be in this if it's going to... Wow. Wow, guys. Yeah, no, I see it dip below. Yeah, that's crashing way too hard. I can see that, yes. 100% reversing here. For NQ not to reverse here is kind of crazy. What NQ's doing right now is a little bit cray-cray for me. I'm not going to lie, guys. I'm about to have to get out of this play. And then just wait for the pullback back above. Pushed 80, which is okay. Maybe I should have entered in with 5 micros.
Order filled.
Load it up again, seeing if we're going to get that push. My outage is going to have to come soon, though. Very soon. I don't like it if it's going to continue to sell off. I'm going to get the 20 loaded up, ready to sell. Just like last time, I have to have a stop loss in play.
You know that Big Bargain detergent jug is 80% water,
7-2.
right? 80% water.
It just looks so good for the dip. Like, that looks like a dip right there. But maybe it's too... There it goes. Starting to come back up, guys.
The rest is
Yeah, it's hard for me to say initially.
Ooh, pass me the intercom thingy.
Attention shoppers, if you want a real deal,
Look at that. Coming back up.
Don't pay for water.
Look at that coming back up. NQ overall continue to push back up. NQ overall again is pushed back to the top side, guys. NQ overall again is pushed back to the top side, guys. Starting to push that 50-day, starting to come up. There it goes, ladies and gentlemen, starting to come up there. S&P, a little bit of a dip, starting to come up.
Well, this sounds like a clear case of scrotus tutitis. To put it
There
simply,
it goes.
you need to upgrade your underwear to
There it
Tommy
goes.
John. You can get
There it
20% off
goes.
your
Alright,
first
well,
order
we're
right
listening to
now
underwear
at
ads here, guys.
TommyJohn.com/Spotify.
We're listening to underwear ads, dude. Oh, my. There it goes, ladies and gentlemen. Starting to get that push. Back above VWAP here. NQ overall looks beautiful if it gets above that VWAP 9-day. Looks beautiful if it gets above that VWAP in 9-day. There it goes. Starting to get that push up, above. Ladies and gentlemen, want to see it hold up here, guys. Want to see it hold up. What's my thought process? Comes back up. I could see it push all the way back up to 910, 911. It would have to push and break that 50-day and VWAP, though. It usually doesn't hold below those points. So that's kind of my initial thought process there. It has to break above and hold above.
Real nice. If you see us on the floor, you'll be watching all night. We ain't here to hurt nobody. So give it to me, give it to me, give it to me.
NQ overall getting the push.
You work your body.
NQ overall getting the push. S&P getting the push. Oh, baby. Wow, ladies and gentlemen. Starting to get that push. S&P has room all the way back up to 470. Wow. 474, like 60 area. What a beauty. Hit me with it. Come on, baby. Hit me with it. Look at that. NQ overall coming back up. S&P next. I don't really want to say much better. I want to see that come up. It came up, broke above. I want to see it happen again, guys. If not, then that was just a pullback retracement. I don't like that retracement in the first place. I can't hold this forever. I will not hold this forever. I will get out of this. I'm not that biased in this play. I just think, oh man, yeah. Wow. Guys, hold on. Way too much down momentum there. Way too, look at that. Look at that reversing. Is it 10 a.m.? No, 9:45. Gonna put on some different type of bops here, guys. That was 9:45 coming out. That was 9:45 coming out, guys. That was just 9:45. I don't know what really happened at 9:45, but what a beauty. Oh, yeah. Talk about a cheetah. There you go. Okay. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. Get a little bit of a bop up in here. There we go. Starting to get a nice dip there, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah. I could see at least 906. S&P is really the factor here, though, guys. S&P needs to start pushing up. Same with NQ overall. I need to see them start to come up here. If not, we're just going to be in one of those retracement days. And I'm not going to take a trade. I'll take an L and walk away. I don't like that it's not pushing up. It's had its opportunities multiple times now, guys. I might get out of this, the short, just because it's just not playing out. It's not playing out for me at all. These are dips, but it's very wicky. These are dips, but it's very, very wicky. Look at that. Another dip buy right there, guys. I want to get a dip buy. I want to get a dip buy right here. I want to grab one right here at 473.90. I really do. I truly do. I don't know exactly where it's going to play out. I think it's going to play out soon, though. Like, getting one right here at these lows feels great. I feel like S&P's overextended by a way whole lot. But I can't say anything because I'm not sure. Look at that overextension, guys. Like, that trend line is crazy to the downside, ladies and gentlemen. That is way overextended, man. Like, if you guys, yeah, it is so oversold right now.
Order filled.
All right, I'm in. I think that's a dip. I think we'll leave it at 20 just so I can sell half, sell half. Yeah. What am I filled at? I'm filled at 84. I say if we get back up to 91, we're 100% good. I see at least 91 coming back up into play. See those highs hold, momentum continue, guys. Let's see the highs hold, momentum continue. Wow, S&P even had the push. Highs hold, momentum continue. Highs hold, momentum continue, guys. That's what I'm looking at. Highs to hold and momentum to continue here. Wow. Starting to get that push, ladies and gentlemen. Starting to get that push. Starting to hold out. I love it. I love it, guys. I love it, ladies and gentlemen. Starting to get that push. Starting to hold out. Want to see what happens coming up into play here at 81. It's holding up here. Holding up beautifully here, guys. Holding up beautifully here, guys. I want to see it hold up. Hold up here, S&P. Come on, NQ. Guys, I'm going to have a sell 20 near break even. I'm looking for a push to that view up area. Guys, I was looking for a push, and I still am. Right above that view up 200, guys. Look at that coming up.
Order filled.
Sold 20, holding 20. Want to see it push, guys. Look at NQ overall, guys. I want to see that push. NQ overall coming back up here. NQ overall spiking, ripping, and running. I think this chop is baloney right now, guys.
Order filled.
I'm going to get out. I'm going to get out. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. And, guys, I think you should do the same if you're not liking the play. I really don't like it. I don't trust it. I don't think that it's holding up the way I want it to. Let me turn this music down a little bit. Hopefully it's not too loud for you guys. There we go. All right. Guys, yeah, no. It's not playing out the way I wanted it to, like it was last week, the week beforehand, and plenty of times before that. What's happening is we're just forming a downtrend. That's all we're doing is we're forming a downtrend. If I could load this up. There we go. So all we're doing, guys, ladies and gentlemen, all we're doing is forming a downtrend. We're pushing up, going down, pushing up, making lows, pushing up, making lows. I would maybe consider getting in if S&P would stop its downtrend here. Now, YB, why don't you just flip the script? YB, why don't you just go short then? Because I can't feel confident with the overextension. Look at how overextended the down. Like, this is insanity right now, bro. Guys, this is insanity to the downside. I can't feel comfortable being like, I'm gonna get a low buy here at 850. I'm gonna get short. I can't get short at 850. You're out of your mind, bro. If I get short down at these lows here, you're right. It could play out. On the contrary, if it completely flips the script, goes back above the view up the 200, the 50 day, I couldn't be mad. Like, that would make more sense than it continuing to just sell off, right? It's holding structure right now to the downside. That's all it's doing is holding structure. I do see a dip buy coming in the future, guys, very shortly on S&P. I do see a dip buy coming in very shortly. I don't think this kind of trend line can hold up for that long, if I'm being honest. Like, that's just the truth. One dip, two dip, we're going to see, guys. I'm just going to be hands off until a better play presents itself. And that's what I think you guys should do as well if you guys are looking dip buy. Now, if you guys are looking short and you guys are print citying, Hallelujah to you, man. Hallelujah to you. You know, I got no complaints on my end. Like, that looks like a... I can't, though, man. It's still holding structure. As long as it holds structure, YB cannot be in. As long as it holds structure, YB cannot be in, guys. Like I said, hopefully you guys had an amazing weekend, though. Anyone do anything crazy? Anyone do anything super fun? Anyone travel for the little 3-day weekend? Anyone get out of their normal town? You know? Guys, starting to come back up here. Starting to break structure. I'm 50-50, guys. I would have to see the push above and it hold. On the contrary, I want to see the push to it and the reversal. And it hold. On the contrary... Oh, I sound like I'm ear raping you guys. My bad, bro. You guys can hear me, like, breathing. I needed to hear if you guys could hear me, like, breathing. There it goes, guys. Starting to get that push. I just can't. Oh, guys, man. I want to take a trade. I really do. I want to take a trade for you guys. I want to take a trade with you guys. It's just not presenting itself the best right now. Yeah, not presenting itself very nice. Waiting and watching. You guys like the hoodie? You guys like the hoodie? Adidas base, baby. It's actually quite, bro. If you guys see me outside right now, it's about 4 feet of snow up in there. Let me tell you. No, I'm kidding. It's about like, probably actually. Hold on. I can't really see too much, but it's pretty snowy out there. Some of you guys that live in Florida area, hopefully it's not flooding too much. I know for you guys it's probably not snowing, but it's probably, you know, floods. Guys, making higher lows here. We are making higher lows here. I will say that. Higher lows are starting to play out. Why? Push. Tried to break back down. Another push. We're going to see. I might take it at the break of this point here back above for the break of 900 and then the reclimb. Taking a look at NQ overall, looking beautiful. On the contrary, puts at this level aren't a bad idea. Puts, not a bad idea. You can pick your poison. See how it's pushing through?
Order filled.
Gonna jump in here for the push. Gonna jump in here for the push. Push through that VWAP, push through that 200-day. I see room now. I see room now on all points. Got a little bit of a new desk as well, guys. Gonna get another one. Yeah. Gonna get another one soon. Has to hold here for me to continue to stay in. That's a beautiful play if it holds. Just push back up, pushing back up again. Am looking for a red to green across the board, guys. Broke that structure, now pushing. I want to see a push and maybe even a new high day. Maybe even a breakout and takeoff to a new high day. S&P looking good. S&P looking beautiful. If S&P pushes, NQ will follow. So looking for that green across the board, baby. It's coming here. Here it comes. So, guys, chilling out as this play plays out. Hey, what's up, Spy Prob? Hope you're chilling out today, buddy. Guys, I'm seeing this push come. Guys, I'm seeing this push come. Coming into play. S&P looking good. S&P looking good here. Nice red to green. Starting to get it there. Hope you're chilling out, buddy. Hope you're having a great day. Here it comes, guys. Starting to get that push. There it is. Starting to rip and run on us. Starting to take off. Here it comes, guys. I could see a new high a day now. I can now see a new high a day off of these highs. Wow. I want to see it break through this view up, through this 50-day and 200 for me to feel comfortable with the push to the high day on NQ. I think NQ has a lot of room to go, though. I think above these points, it just depends. It depends on S&P. S&P is not above it yet. NQ overall is definitely, though. NQ overall is shaping up beautifully. Wow. They're holding up, man. Another one. Another push, guys. Another push is what we're looking at. Oh, what a beauty. Oh, man. There she goes, guys. Taking off. S&P now up to those points. Breaking through it. Breaking through them like butter. Like water. Not even complaining about them. Saying, honestly, man, I can do this all day long. S&P taking off above all of its points, man. Just ripping and running through them. NQ overall, next to hold up is what I want to see. S&P really holding up. I want to see S&P hold up here. Wow. Yup. Yeah, definitely got to get a new mic set up here, guys. It's good. Wow, there it goes. S&P taking off. S&P, break that 200 like butter. Like nothing. Push up to 475 like 50, guys. That's what I'm waiting on. NQ overall pushing up as well. I want to see that push up to like 1506. Yeah, this mic setup isn't terrible. I just got to hold it here. Or I just got to get something to hold it up here. Wow, ladies and gentlemen, look at NQ go, guys. Look at NQ go, man. Right on that beat drop, too. What a beautiful play. S&P holding it up. NQ overall pushing those highs, man. Look at these plays hold up and push these highs, man. So I could see above 900 now. I could see really high numbers up there, guys. I love it. NQ overall pushing highs. I love it, guys. S&P holding up, coming back up. Yup. Look at that. I can see that push coming. Next push coming in, guys. Look at that. Nice red to green there on NQ overall. Nice red to green there on S&P 500. Hey, let that hit. Coming back up, pushing those highs. NQ's following. NQ's following, guys. No point. Yup. What a beauty. Let it play out here, guys. Let it play out. Beauty. Beauty, beauty, beautiful. Ladies and gentlemen. Look at those highs, man.
Order filled.
Selling half at these highs. Looking for a red to green here.
Order filled.
All right, I sold the other half. Guys, it's not big gains on the day because of the last L. But you know what? It's still green. Are you guys even centered, man? I had everything perfect last time. Let me tell you, my last setup was kind of perfect in a way. My camera was centered directly, never moved it in my life. Now, what happens sometimes I get a little bit too close. You guys see a little bit too much of YB's forehead. All right, let me tell you, it looks like I got a 5-finger forehead right now. All right, 7 days a week. I could stick a whole thing on there. You know what I mean? You could probably cook an egg on my forehead right now, the way it looks. Look at that. But really, it's not. I swear. I swear, guys. Okay? Anyways, sold everything out there. Gonna adjust a couple things then. Sold out there, guys. Cooking up a whole omelet. Woo! Grambo in the house, baby. He's saying smoke some crack with me, bro. You know, whatever it takes to make it. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. What's up, buddy? What's up, buddy? Hopefully I didn't just irrate you guys too bad. What's up, guys? I'm all done for the day, following my rules. Yeah, buddy. How much you up, Grambo? Grambo the man.
How can I be homophobic? My bitch is gay. Hit man in the top, try see a man topless, even a stick is gay. Hugging my brothers and say that I love them, but I don't swing that way. The man them celebrate Eid, the trap still running on Christmas Day. Somebody told Doja Cat that I'm trying to indulge in.
One second. Get hyped. My goal for 2024 is 250 a day. Dude, that's awesome. And that's honestly, that's better than a lot of people's goals, man. You know why? And I'll say this, and I'm not saying it's impossible, guys. There we go. I'm not saying it's impossible. Obviously, any money in the market is not impossible. I don't care if you're talking about $10,000, $20,000 a day. It's literally not impossible in any way. But 250 will make you feel a lot more complete and probably have a lot more success than aiming for $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 days if you're not already like making $1,500 a day, right? Like if you're making $1,500 a day, guys, and you want to make upwards of $3,000 a day, hey, doubling your profit. All right, you're gonna have to double your position size. You're gonna have to change some things around. It's gonna be a little bit scary making that adjustment. There we go. But yeah, ladies and gentlemen, I would 100% say to a lot of you guys, that goal right there, Grambo, yeah, dude, that's worth it. times 10 funded, it's 50K a month. Okay. All right. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I thought he meant just like, okay, Grambo, I forgot about that. All right. Well, all right. Listen here, buddy. All right. This guy. I forgot Grambo has like 10 funded accounts. So even if you have one funded account, guys, and you're looking to make $250 a day, that's still, you know, that's still good. You know, that's still what? A 2,000. That's still equivalent to probably a little bit more than a lot of people's 9-to-5s. Unless you got a college degree or you're like a doctor or something, then, you know, it's probably not as equivalating to it, you know. But, yeah. No, but my rule is $250 a day and I shut it down. Right. Yup, that makes sense. Yeah, across 10 funded accounts, yeah. Because think about it, guys. Once you get that funded account, bro, it doesn't matter. You make $250 a day across 10 accounts, bro. What is that? $2,500 a day? It's like, all right, boom, I'm done. You know what I mean, dude? So, hallelujah to you, Grambo. I'm with you, man. I'm with you. Yeah, guys, so took my little gain right there. Made sure to keep these L's both tiny here. Right? So, like, that one was a winner. Right there at 250. That one right there was a $10 win. And then this one right here was a big L of 585. So, we made it all back and then some. So, up 48 on the day. Nothing big. So, got myself from the red to the green, which is the whole thing. Yeah. This shows you compound gains add up. Yup, 100%, guys. So, listen, even if you're just starting out, I don't care if you're just starting out. Don't look at the guy that's driving the Lambo and you know, has the $1 million mansion, bro. Think about what he had to do to get there, though. You know what I mean? Unless he obviously is like a content creator, then most of his money, like, okay, if you're like a really, like, you have millions of followers on like TikTok, Instagram, like YouTube and stuff. A lot of that money they're making is not from trading. I'll tell you that. A lot of the money they're making is from that stuff. They get paid through that stuff, and they trade probably, like, fake accounts and stuff. And that's, like, 95% of the gurus that have that much, like, following, because it's not worth it. And that's smart. It's not their fault. Like, that's so smart. Like, why would I risk my money in the market when I could trade? And if I'm profitable, That's great. But I'm trading still, and I'm already making money off YouTube, TikTok, blah, 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 blah. So a lot of those guys do that. And like I said, there's nothing wrong with it. That's great. Because when they started, they probably did have to trade. When they started, how'd you have to get in the industry? How'd you gain millions of subscribers in the first place? You had to be profitable. Yeah. This show, yeah, I might even quit my job. Oh, shit. He's switching from putting people to sleep to putting the market to sleep, baby. Oh, man. Now, I get what you're saying here, Grambo. Spy Prop say, YB, when getting my first funded account in the future, should I start with one account or more than one? I will only get a funded account once I prove to myself I'm profitable in demo. I would start with one. So try to get one, and then once you get that down, once you're profitable, you get that thing to passing, take your funds from that one. Let's say you get a $2,500 payout. Take that $2,500 and buy 20 more accounts, right? And then all you got to do on Tradeovate is come over here. You just got to click this button right there, and then I can, like, you know what I mean? I can go to, like, groups, and then you can create a group, right? So then you can, like, add a group and everything. You group them together, and then bada bing, bada boom. Now you're trading with 20 accounts, right? And you have that one funded. That's in there. So they'll just kind of tackle on, basically like copy traders, right? So I'd start with one, because then think about this, though. You have to pay to get all 20 activated. So to get, like, 20 activated, it's going to cost you around, like, $2,000 in the first place, right? So once you get them activated, then you're set. But I wouldn't start with that many because it's not worth it at first. You know what I mean? Just in case an L happens, you don't want to be down, you know, $2,000 paying for these PA accounts. Or paying like $1,000 for these, like, for these activation things. I need to make 400 to 500 a day. I need funds to get some hair like yours. Bro, dog, dude, you don't even know, bro. Let me show y'all something. I am 19 years of age, guys. I am 19 years old. My hair's probably a little crazy, obviously, right now. Look at that, guys. I am balding, ladies and gentlemen. I am going bald, guys. Look at that. You can see a little patch right there is missing. All right. So, yes, YB does not have a luscious lock of hair like he used to. All right, let me tell you, this whole trading thing, you know, the only way to become a real trader, guys, you got to lose some hair. All right, you got to lose a lot of it. All right, so you don't want hair. Oh, Lord, yeah, bro. Speak into the mic. Sorry, man, I got to say right here. YB is balding. Yeah, bro. Stress will hit you. Stress will hit you like a man. No, I'm kidding, guys. We matching? Yeah, bro. So me and Gigi are going to go get hair transplants over in Turkey. I found out that that's a good spot to get them. All right. So, yeah, bro. I'm 19. I noticed this like 2 months ago, and I looked at it, bro, and I was like, yo, my girl was like, are you going bald? And I'm like, how dare you? How dare you? I love you. I love you too, bro. Yeah, dude. We gotta go get it. That's the first thing. Hey, YB, are you gonna buy real estate? No. Hey, YB, are you gonna go like build a school? No. What are you gonna do? I'm going to get a hair transplant, guys. I'm going to get a hair transplant. The rest will follow. All right, we got big plans coming 2024, but the rest will follow. I just gotta get a passport before I get the hair transplant. Yeah, bro. You see this mic, dude? I have to get one of the things where I can attach it so that it's just like hanging here. You guys know what I mean? Like one of those setup things. I don't know why I haven't gotten it yet. I'm a lazy bugger when it comes down to it. Yeah, because you can like barely hear me then, right? My back hair won't fall. Okay, this guy. Dude, I can't, bro. There's no way, dude. There's no way, dude. That is true though. That is true though. Like, oh man, you're right, dude. Yo, dude. No, but it's true. It's true. Hey, Grambo, dude. We're all guys around here. That is facts, man. My back hair won't fall out. Neither will my chest hair. All right, let me tell you. All right, little flakes I got down there. Not falling out, you know. I swear it just moves spots. It just moves places. It goes your back. It goes your chest. It goes your arms. It just goes from your head to other places. You know what I mean? I'm gonna be bald, but my chest hair is gonna be popped. Let me tell you, I'm gonna be looking like a lumberjack. You know, I'd start like cutting trees for a living, man. Think about it, bro. I don't know how these finance guys. You ever see those finance bro videos? How do they keep their hair for so long? Like, they definitely have to have wigs on. Yeah, bro. Like, you know what I mean? Like, I don't get how they keep their hair. You know what I mean? They're working on Wall Street and stuff. There's no way. That's fake. You know, high stress situations, numbers, your hair automatically falls out. I expect this volatility today with the futures from yesterday clearing today. Yeah, let me take a look at that anyways. I did not trade it all yesterday. I really wasn't about it. You know, I didn't expect it to here. Yeah, look at yesterday was very low volume, very choppy action. You could have easily just been catching though. View up, short, come back up, view up, short. Now, obviously that's a lot easier said than done. You know what I mean? Me being like, oh yeah, you could have easily called a view up short. Yeah. Okay, YB, why didn't you do it then? It's like, all right, buddy. No, I'm kidding. No, yeah, that's way easier said than done. Damn, what is that? Is this the Asian, what is it, Asia session open? Or is that London session open? One or the other right there, guys. I think that's Asia. Asia market open. There's that nice drop right off it at 3 a.m. And now we're double topping here. Would take a short. London at 3. Okay, so it's London. Okay. Yep. So London session open right there. Had a fall. I might wait for a London session close. London session closes around 11, guys. So 11 to 12. You'll see. You might see a little bit of a differentiate. You might see it fall a little bit. Is what I'm trying to say. So. So chilling out, guys. But yeah, man. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Like I said, I hope you guys had a great weekend, man. I don't know if it's snowy where you guys are at right now, but let me tell you about PA. All right. All-wheel drive car. Can't drive it. No. Yeah, all-wheel drive. Yeah, that thing's not moving right now. All right. Thing's not moving. I got a buddy in like one of those little AMG Benzes. He's drifting on the road. He's literally like, he's sitting here like, drifting on the road. I'm like, all right, well, you know. I'm like, well, my car's not going to do it. Luckily, I still don't have my little beater truck. Yup, storm hitting me now. Yeah, dude. Yup. So, let me tell you. All right, YB's not moving. All right. 73 here today, but a little gloomy. Yo, where's this guy live? Grambo, I didn't know you live in the Bahamas, buddy. This guy lives on Bali. He's like 70. Yeah, it's 73 degrees here today. But, you know, it's a little gloomy. He's like, you know, it looks a little bad outside. There's a couple clouds out there. Said, yeah, but, yep. So, you know, it's kind of, yeah, it's not really a great day here. So, yo, this guy. I'm kidding, dude. Is it raining, though, Grambo? Is it, like, flooding at all? I seen videos of Maine, man. It was cold these last few days in the 50s. Yo, this guy, dude. I can literally, hold on. Let's see what it is right now, dude. Let's check the weather. Oh, it's OneDrive. Can I check the weather on this? Yeah. 26 degrees right now and light snow. No rain? Okay. 50 degrees, man. That's crazy. I guess for Tampa that is cold. I'll be reasonable and accept it. Yeah, let's check it out. I got my weather thing. I got Tampa. Yeah. Yeah, man. 73. That's crazy. About to move back, dude. I'm about to go down there for another month, bro. Hey, yo, anyone got any rental properties in Tampa? Let your boy know. All right. Put me on a 1-month lease. I'm moving down there for a month. Oh man, dude, what a life. All right, guys. Wow, here it goes. Now it's taking off, man. Look at that. Look at that, man. That's crazy. That's insane, dude. Would a guest house suffice? I'm not against it. I'm not against it, Grambo. Would a guest house? Yeah, buddy. Dude, yo, let your boy know. All right. What month is it right now? January? If it wasn't wrestling season, I would take you up on that offer, Grambo. If it wasn't wrestling season, I'd be like, yo, Grambo, buddy. Yeah, I'll see you in about 3 hours. All right, I'm hopping on a flight right now. Actually, you know what's crazy? You just gotta smoke. Yeah, this guy. Yo, dude, that would be it. I'd be streaming. Grambo comes in. He's like, yo, are you streaming right now? I'd be like, yeah, what's up? He's like, all right. Just turn the camera to the side. Then he's like, yo, hit this. I'm like, what is it? He's like, just hit it. Don't ask questions. I'd be like, dude, stream would be lit, though. Let me tell you. Stream would be fire. All right. This guy, dude. Oh, man. Fucking A, dude. To live the Wolf of Wall Street life. To live the Wolf of Wall Street life, guys. Let's see if I look that up. What comes up here? There it goes. Yeah, bro. Oh, what a life. Not really, but actually. Alright, guys. So what's going on now? Waiting for a pullback, guys. I'm going to have to wait for a pullback at least down to that 50-day. But yeah. Other than that, man, I am chilling. Wow, look at that push, bro. Oh, yeah, by the way. Hey, man. I'm a Dolphins fan. Let's talk about it. Let me tell you about this. Dolphins, first round elim. Eagles, out. Cowboys, out. I don't know what's going on right now. You want me to be honest? Any of you football fans out there, I don't know what's happening right now. All right. So, you know, the Packers out here beating the Cowboys. Okay. All right. That's unusual. That's wild. You know, Eagles losing to the Bucks. Okay. Hey, Tampa Bay Buccaneers. You already know, baby. I don't know. I was 50-50. I know some of you guys in here got to be Tampa. But Grambo, you're probably a Tampa fan. Yeah, dude. I mean, any of you guys that are from Tampa, baby. You know what I'm saying. Yeah. Actually, we're not going to say that. We're going to, I'm not going to say that, actually. Yeah. We're just going to leave that at that. All right. No, but any of you Buccaneer fans out there, man, let me tell you. Good performance yesterday. All right. And my Dolphins, man, we're not even going to talk about my Dolphins, all right? They just, you know, I expected that against a team such as, I don't know, man. Chiefs, I expected it. It kind of happened. Knew it was coming. Yep. That's the end of that. That's the end of that, guys. You know what's crazy is my buddy. So 2 of my buddies also indulge in football, and my one buddy's a Cowboys fan. They are 7 yeah, bro. Oh, and what? The Eagles? The Eagles, or are you talking about Eagles? Oh yeah, dude, the Bills. The Bills paid people $20 an hour to shovel. Yeah, the Dolphins. Yup. Yeah, let me tell you, these Dolphins aren't meant for these weathers. All right. That's kind of what happens when you send people from, look at where they practice. All right, Miami all the time, dude. Miami, where it's nice, warm, 70, 80 degrees. Then you go somewhere like the Bill Stadium or something, bro, where it's really like negative 10 degrees, and you expect these guys to play. Like, I'm telling you, these Dolphins weren't built for that weather. All right. Imagine, dude. Imagine getting. I don't know, if I was an NFL player, bro, and I was like on you know what I mean, up for trade or something, and I'm going from like Miami, and they're like, hey, yo, the Bills are picking you up. I'd be like, what? I'd be like, what do you mean the Bills are picking me up? They're like, yeah, man, like we're gonna sign you over to the Bills. Like, you get to play. I'd be like, but sir, isn't it like 10 degrees there right now? Be like, yeah, it's a little cold. It's like, I'd start crying. I'd be like, please, sir, I'll do anything. Yeah, dude, that's my thought process. Yeah, who did the Bills go up against? Hold on. Who'd they go up against? Was it the Chiefs? No, they go up against the Chiefs. Hold up. Let's see this. They went up against the Steelers. Okay, it was the Steelers. That was expected. I don't even know how the Steelers got up and in here. No offense to you guys, your Steelers. No offense to the Steelers. Any of you Steeler fans out there, hey, PA bound, baby. Pittsburgh Steelers, nothing wrong with them. All right. I did expect the Bills to clean house with that one. But they go up against the Chiefs. That's gonna be a close one. I don't know, man. Those Bills are tough, bro. I'll tell you that. I'm not even a big football fan, and I even know that. Like, I don't watch football, like, rarely. I don't watch it all the time. Like, I don't bet. Yo, dude, Deck out here making like 5 bands a night. Yo, dude, Deck needs to open up a sports betting channel. You guys see him on Instagram? Let me tell you about this guy. But he's out here making like 5K a night just off sports betting by accident. You know what I mean? He's just putting down random bets, just throwing it down, throwing it on the table. Boom, 5K, 7K. Short NQ. Oh, man. Yup, it is approaching that 1700 level. It is a bit overextended. S&P not on as much of a push. I agree. Shorts aren't looking terrible. NQ overall as well. NQ overall getting overextended to the top side, guys. I don't really see how this can hold up for much longer. Then again, I could see chop and do a next push, but I just want this to break, guys. And I'm so sick of waiting, but I just want that to break right there, ladies and gentlemen. Those all-time highs, I just want them to break. Look at that, 479.98. I want to see 480. We're $4 off it. We're literally $4 off 480. Can we just like see 480 for once in our life, man? Get it done with, get it over with, and then see where it goes from there. Some of you guys might be with me. Some of you guys are like, YB, dude, I've been waiting. Yeah, man, like, I agree. Like, yeah, dude, let's see 480, man. Like, this is crazy. And to you, I'm like, yeah, buddy. Like, let me tell you. Let YB tell you. Hey, what's up, Grizzly Gaming? RVSM short-term price target is 314. Only 1 million shares. Float and squeezing. What's that? What play is that again? Let me check that out. RVSN. I always have RTY loaded up, but I'm always down to change it here. RVSN. I think I remember AK talking about this one. Yeah, look at that. Yup, because pre-market pushed all the way up to 280, and you said only 1 million in float, so that's crazy. That's good. That's really good. Above that view up, guys, I could see it taking off. Actually, I'm not against that at all. Above that view up, ladies and gentlemen, that thing can really start to take off. So watch out for that. I'll keep it up on my right chart. Push up above the 200, making the higher low pattern. Here, I'll put a trend line in as well. This is what I see. My stop loss will be underneath that. Like, if this falls underneath that trend line, comes down to like sub $2, that's where I'd get out. Sub $2, guys. So yeah, buddy, there you guys go. Yup, but yep, S&P still wanted to push. I really just want to see that 480 come in, bro. Be like, oh my goodness, we hit it, guys. Okay, now let's see what's gonna happen. Like, I feel like bulls and bears just can't pick a direction, right? They're just like this right now. You know, you have bulls pushing, and then you have bears being like, and I'll take it away from here, thanks, buddy. And then bulls are like, I'll take it away from here, thank you. It's like they just can't come down to a price. Everyone's willing to buy and sell between like 475 up to 479, but nobody's willing to buy above 480. Like, nobody wants to buy up here, and nobody wants to sell down here. Isn't that kind of make sense to you guys? So the supply has always, it just rides. So anytime it gets down here, the demand is more than the supply, because nobody's willing to sell for this price right here, right? So the supply is less than the demand. Demand's high, so it pushes up. Bink comes up to here. Okay, hey, now nobody wants to buy. Now the supply is higher than the demand, so we come back down. And we've just been doing that. But taking a look at this chart, guys, now that I think about it, look at that. We had push, retracement, push. Let's see. Guys. Oh, man, dude. Oh, yeah, let me check up on crypto as well. Let's check up on crypto, guys. Any of you Bitcoin, Ethereum holders, let's check the price out. Let's see. Is that correct right now? Give YB a second, guys. Give me a second, ladies and gents. I'm checking out on my phone real quick. Says around $2,500 for Ethereum. $2,500 for Ethereum. And oh yeah, Bitcoin. Did the Bitcoin ETF get approved? I gotta check that out. And right around 4,200, 4,300 for Bitcoin. I wonder if that Bitcoin ETF got approved. Here, let's look that up. Let's see, guys. Nope, not what I meant. Okay, and I gotta retype it. Alright, that's great. Alright, guys. Alright. There's multiple articles coming up saying that Bitcoin ETF has been approved. SEC approves Bitcoin ETF. Statement of approval on spot Bitcoin exchange. Bitcoin ETF approval. SEC approved Bitcoin. US SEC approved Bitcoin. Okay. Hold up. What will the price of that ETF be, though? I don't know. I can't find it right now, guys. But yes, Bitcoin ETF looks to be approved. Remember, these are all articles on Google, so if multiple articles are saying it, maybe it's true, maybe it's not. I don't know yet. I don't know the Bitcoin ETF ticker, what it will come out as. Probably like BTC, right? I would just assume. Hold on, ready? No. All right, chilling out. Apparently not. Ladies and gentlemen, now pushing, ripping, and running. Guys, I would love to take a trade, guys. The only trade I would think about is above 700 here, man. But we are so high and overextended that any trade up at this level, like, I honestly cannot be against shorts. Like, if I take longs right now at 700, the break of it, and the push above, and I print, congratulations, YB, you printed. If I take longs right now at the price of 700, 16,700, and it goes short on me, and I have to stop out, I could not be mad. I could not be upset. I couldn't be like, dang it, YB, why did you take that? It'd be like, okay, YB, well, that made sense. It'd be like, YB, well, that made perfect sense. We're coming up here, we're stalling out. We could maybe have one last push and then fall back below 1,700. And, you know, we're super overextended here. You know what I mean? It would just make sense, right, for a retracement. How big's the retracement going to be? Could be all the way back down to 940. You know? I'm not going to lie. Why? Because we had old shopping range in there, old shopping range around there, right? I'm also trying to watch this Barstool. I'm trying to watch Barstool Sports. They had this golf event. It was probably, I don't know how long ago it was, but I just seen it now. It looks like it's been probably like a month ago or something. All right, and I'm really interested in it. All right, so I'm trying to watch that as well, but I can't watch that until we're obviously done here, guys. So, you know, trying to see who wins there. Let me tell you, man, if it wasn't so cold out, your boy'd be hitting the driving range. I'm getting that itch again, man. I had the itch all summer, and I was hitting it all summer long. I literally started golfing probably June. So you know, I'm obviously not that great, okay? All right, but and no, it's been later than that. It had to be like July. Had to be July. I remember those days. Yeah, it had to be July. I want to see a retest of 15,980 before a next leg up. 15,980. Oh, okay, so a little bit of a break back down and then another push. I see what you're saying. I would love to go big or go home, man, on it. I would love to see literally a push all the way back down to 470. Like, basically, wherever this 200 and VWAP is, wherever that 200 and VWAP is, that's kind of what I want to see. I love seeing it push down to those levels because 9 times out of 10, they reverse off it. Look at that. So I got my long there. I just didn't hold out and hold out and through. See that? I was playing the game of basically being too short-term biased here. It was hard for me, though, obviously, seeing it just dropping and dropping and dropping and being like, okay, hey, I have to hold it out. Like, it was a scary moment. Played out, though. Played out well. 16,980. Yep. I got you, buddy. The real question is, Grambo, will you load up on more of a position? So, Grambo, will you load up on more of a position at 16,980? Nope, can't trade the rest of the day. Well, heard it here first, folks. Grambo will not be loading up because he already hit his goal of 250, aka $2,500 today. I love holding this mic. It makes me feel like an interviewer, bro. Like, I don't usually hold the mic, so it's like weird. It's like, all right, guys, so what do you think? Pushing 1,700 again, guys. Yeah, Grambo's already up $2,500 on the day, so. Do you want to know what it looks like to us? Yeah, I'm down. Well, hold on, buddy. Last time you tried to give me a depiction of a diagram, it didn't end up so well. You were like, isn't this the new strategy? And it was literally just a dick on a screen. And I literally thought it was a new strategy because you made like 2 circles and an oval. So I don't know, buddy. I don't know, buddy.
Order filled.
Gonna get filled here. I see a push coming. Stop loss will be tighter. Mic up to your face. Oh, this guy. This guy. I feel like I know what you're about to say. I feel like I know what you're about to say. But sure, buddy. I'd like to know. Guys, that was so close to a push coming back down. Like I said, I cannot be mad if it comes back down here. Obviously, if it gets stable here and doesn't end up coming down, that's also fine. Yup, like look at that. A little bit of a dip to the next push up. That's potential. I can see that happening here on S&P 500. S&P 500 pushed back up to 476.28. Kind of broke that by a penny. I see inverse YB is still in play. Yo, this guy, dude. Yeah, dude, right? Apparently. No. That was an old strategy. It probably banked. Yup, there goes the short coming in, man. Let's see it hit. All right.
Stop filled.
So, that's why I took it with small size. Like I said, I cannot be angry if it pushes above 1,700 and comes down. And I'm not in any way, shape, or form. That makes perfect sense. But it also would make perfect sense. So, like, you know, was it really a gamble? I don't know. It looked better where I was at, where I got filled at. Obviously, I got filled, like, near this high here. Why did I get filled near there? Seeing the break to the top side there. This looks overextended to the downside. I think I'm 25 for 29 on the year so far. So listen here, buddy. All right. Only red 4 plays. Two of them literally resulting from today. Where did that bounce, YB? All right, Grambo. Valid point. I see more red coming in, though, all right? I am looking for that dip buy down here. I don't even know if I'll take it all the way down there, man. I probably won't even end up taking it. We'll see. Because that's a far dip, man. That's a far dip for me, for YB to be like, yeah, let's get involved there. Let's get involved there, champions. Grizzy Gaming, man. Grizzy Gaming over there on YouTube.com, man. Let's see. You're still holding up here on RVSN. I don't know if you're in on this play, but high or low, still holding here. If you would have got filled on any of these little dips down to that 50-day, no cracking of the $2 yet. But Grizzy Gaming, getting it in, baby. Getting those gains in up to the VWAP break above it. It's going to be good. Not sure the price, but think I might throw some into it from the jump. Spy prob, I don't know what that means, buddy. I'm not going to lie. Not sure the price, but I might throw some into it from the jump. Trying to analyze this. Not sure the price, but I might throw some in from the jump. Please elaborate, buddy. Are you talking about NQ? Or are you talking about RVSN? RVSN, not a bad play above that 50-day. I would throw some in, but then you have to know your risk to reward ratio. If you throw some in above mental resistance, oh, you're talking about NQ. Oh, dude, okay. Okay. All right. That's a whole nother play. All right. Now we're talking here. All right. Yeah, wow, dude. That's actually a beautiful dip buy. Wow, look at that. Look at that dip buy coming in. Back above 1700, I might take it again. I wouldn't even be against it here. I just don't want to see any lower highs. 16,980 money. Yeah, that was a really cash offer, bro. That was a cash offer for a wholesale deal, dude. Out in, like, Tennessee. Let me tell you, buddy. That was a good one there, Grambo. Grambo the Mambo. Perfect dip buy. So the real question is, what made you see 16,980? Did you see resistance across the board or support come in? A little bit of a struggle there. You see what the last dip was? Last dip. Is that what made you really, formulate that thesis that 16,980 was going to be the perfect dip entry? It was. I feel like we're going to push here, guys.
Order filled.
I want to get filled below 1,700 for the push above 1,700 in and through it. So it looks beautiful here. I think it's beautiful. I think it's going here. Yeah, I think it's going here. Let's take a look at NQ overall. NQ overall even getting a push back up, guys. Yup. Right up into it. No. There it goes. Yup. So I want to see that green hold up and then kind of just take off. Not even worrying about the play. I think 1,700, I would like to see that break above. S&P right up into it. I think, what is that? 460, 476.25. About to break like butter, boys. About to break like butter. Back above it. Looks beautiful. So I could see up to 1,750 now, above 1,700. NQ overall, holding up in those highs. I love it. There it goes, guys. Starting to jump numbers for us, ladies and gentlemen. Want to see this continue to take off, rip and run? Want to see this continue to take off, rip and run for us? Pivot point. Okay. I got you. Look at that taking off, guys. Look at that taking off, holding those highs up. Continuing to push those highs, ladies and gentlemen. 19. Okay. Right up to that 15, I see. Want to see that break out and continue to take off. Summer got to hurry up. January from June is such a drag. Hey, man, don't rush time. Let me tell you. This is where you stack bread, baby, and then you ball out during the summer, man, all right? This is where you stack bread. 474.50 would be a nice place. I would want to jump in to see a drop. Okay, 470, 474.50. That's a little bit down there, but I see what you're saying. Yeah, we're a little bit above it right now. Want to see this hold up here, guys. Starting to hold up. Want to see it continue to hold. Next push coming in if it holds. Next push coming in if it holds here. Starting to hold here. I love it. Starting to hold here. I love it, guys. Want to see it break above that 476.50, guys. 476.50 is the point. It's right up there. NQ overall is holding up. They're all just holding. It's just bink. You just need that one push. Getting up there. Getting up there now. Getting up there now. Getting up there now. NQ overall helping out. NQ overall helping out. S&P really helping out. S&P is the leader here. It's right up there, guys. At this given rate, I just want to see it hold that point. I see up to 50 now. I see all the way up to 50. 1750 would make perfect sense around that point. Yes. I want to see it push through 20 and 25 like butter. Like butter. Push through 20 like butter. Pushing through 20, want to see it push. There's that little bit of resistance at 19 we were talking about. There it is. Put 20 now pushing, guys. 21 now coming in. 21 now coming into play, guys. What a beauty. Like I said, I want to see 50, though. I want to see 50. How high can this hold? A little bit of overextension, I'm aware. But, oh, what a beauty. Can hold up beautifully here. Especially if NQ overall starts to take off. If NQ overall can take off, guys, it'll hold up. Wow. Yup. Wow. Wow. Holding up beautifully, guys. NASDAQ holding up beautifully. NASDAQ made up of all the tech companies around. Holding up very beautifully. Want to see that 14 continue to push here, guys. Want to see S&P hold it up a little bit more. Don't really want to have to sell out of too many here. Want to hold this. I really do see this pushing up a little bit more here, guys. Especially with how much it's holding. A little bit of a dip. I think we're holding 1700 and can continue to push. I have a 1719. I have a crystal ball. Yeah, dude. Yeah, Grambo, dude. Grambo got something. So there was your little bit of resistance. Another dip buy coming in across the board, guys. Seeing that red to green. I'm looking for you. Yeah, Grambo, bro. Are you feeling a little bit like, man, maybe I should take some of these trades. NQ overall pushing up, guys. NQ overall takes off. It's taking NQ with it. S&P needs to come up as well, and it's taking it with it. Starting to take off. Guys, starting to take off across the board. NQ overall taking off. Here's NQ overall, guys. See that right there? This one right here? Starting to take off. Want to see it continue to take off here. Hold these highs up. Break out. Break out, rip and run. NQ's going with it. There it is. Like I said, guys, I'm looking for 50 here. I'm looking for 50. Nope, have to stay disciplined. Okay, that's good. That's good. Yeah, I'm not, yeah, dude, I'm not here trying to convince Grambo to take a trade here. Nah, buddy. You keep it up. You keep doing you. I see that next push coming. Either this candle, next candle, very shortly, man. I see that next push coming above 1700. I see that next push coming, guys. I do. Let's check this out. Music has stopped. Ooh, Tech House. Get a little bit of a vibe going. I'm waiting for Apex to do another 90% off so I can pick up. Same. 100% same, man. I'm trading this one right now, which I'm fine with. But yeah, dude, I'm with you. I'm not doing that at 70%. Or even like, you know, dude, they're just, no, it's not worth it, guys. And I advise all of you guys to do the same. If you guys want to pick up Apex accounts, wait till they do another 90% off. They're going to do one soon. Oh, yeah, Grambo, I owe you $5, by the way. You were correct on the 70% off thing. So just make sure to link your Cash App below, and I will, I'll get you that $5. Me and Grambo made a bet that they won't hold this. I thought they weren't going to hold the 70% off sale all for the whole end of 2023, and they did. Guys, I'm still waiting on that push coming in here. I want to see it break above here. If S&P gets back above 476.50, confidence. Cheer, giving you these plays so you can pay me the $5 you owe me. Yeah, this guy. Oh, I got you, buddy. Link that Cash App below. All right. Yep, I see those highs pushing, ladies and gentlemen. 100%. Up to 50, guys. Up to 50, guys. I see all the way up to 50. So right there, basically, that 50 point is what I see pushing, coming in across the board. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at those highs coming in, man. Look at that coming in. There it goes, guys. So, yup. Let's put it towards an Apex Challenge account. And I want one when I get funded. Yo. And I want one when it gets funded. Okay. All right. I got you, buddy. He's like, yo, hold off on the payment. He said, hold off. He said, wait until that Apex account comes out. Here we go, baby. So 27 coming in. I want to see that push. I want to see 50 coming, guys. So we got a couple more points here. Only in with 5 micros. S&P pushing those highs still. S&P pushing those highs still above 476.50. Confidence is key. Look at it. NQ overall still pushing. Yup. Still pushing, guys. Still pushing. Love it. Love it. NQ overall driving us up. NQ overall driving us up. S&P following through. What a beauty. What a beauty, honestly. Honestly, what a beauty of a play. Can't complain. So chilling out, holding these micros, man. Chilling out and holding these micros, man. Look at that. Look at NQ pushing, man. Like I said, guys, I see all the way up to 50. One of two directions I see this. Wow. NQ overall leading it. NQ overall said no games, no jokes, man. Guys, you guys know what I'm talking about here. Here you go. Ladies and gentlemen, no games, no jokes pushing up here. What a beauty, man. Want to see NQ follow through doing the same. S&P holding up. I know we're going to get 50 soon, man. I know it. I don't want to sell these too early. I know we can get that 50 point. Looks beautiful for the push at least. What is that? Another 20 points? Not even. Look at that. New highs, man. S&P taking off again. Above that 50, guys. Next play here. Want to see it hold these highs up. S&P right there on the table. Right there on the money. There it goes. There it goes, ladies and gentlemen. Back above 50. I like it. 476.52. 5.3 starting to take off, guys. I want to see it take off here.
Order filled.
Sold 2, holding 3. Gonna put that sell 3 close. Just so we lock up gains. We're not dumb. Not gonna be a big play, but gonna get you from red back to green on the day. Hopefully, we're not even gonna want to see that hit. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, look at that. Coming back up into play. Want to see it flip the script and start to take back off here. NQ overall holding it up. All right, NQ overall holding this play up. So nothing on my end. So still holding up. Still holding up. Still holding up. Starting to take back off, guys. Woo! So hopefully you guys are still in this play. Hopefully you guys are still chilling out, man. Just let it rock, man. That's the difference here. You just want to see this thing rock to the top side, man. You just want to see it continue to hold to the top side. Let it rock it out, man. Start to push those highs. That's what you're looking for, okay? Nice little lower shadow to the next push up. London closed. Be careful. Yup. Waiting on it. Waiting and watching. Look at that. There's that red to green starting to push back up here, ladies and gentlemen. Want to see it start to take off here, baby. Look at that thing starting to take off, baby. You don't even know. All right. So, guys, you guys got it, man. You guys already know. You guys already know. I meant to say. Not you don't even know. You guys already know is what I meant to say, all right? You guys already know how this play be. Coming back up. Continuing its takeoff and breakout. Continuing its takeoff and breakout. What a play, man. Starting to push those highs up. Starting to take off. Continuing to take off. Continuing to break out. Want to see it break that 17035, 034, 035 mark. And take off, man. Because what am I looking for, guys? Look at that. NQ overall just had a massive push there. Not massive, but just had a very nice push. Want to see this start to hold up and continue to climb. That's the real reason, okay? All right, so you see that continue to climb here. You're still good to go, all right? Look at that. A little bit of red to green, back up to 50. 50 is going to be my ultimate selling point, okay? So I can mark 50 a while. So that's it. That's the RR ratio on these. 2 locked up already. Want to see it continue to take off. Wow. What a beauty. Let's see it. So you guys all having a great day. You guys all having an amazing day. Hopefully so. Hopefully so, man. Look at that green coming in across the table, boys. Look at that green coming in. Let's see that green come in and push up to that 50 mark. Look at that on S&P 500. Taking out those highs, guys, on NQ. Starting to push up. Starting to push up and take off on us. Want to see it push 476.50 and take off. Same thing we had last time. I can see that happening 135%. I'm telling you, once it pushes 50 here, guys. Right here it is. If it pushes it, bink, take off. All right, so get your boots ready. Get them strapped up, baby. Get them strapped up. Get them ready. Out of coffee. Here we go. Here we go. Looking at S&P here for the takeoff. S&P, want to see that 470. I just want to see it break and take off, honestly. I just want to see what it looks like. If I see that one green candle on S&P, I feel like it's just going to rocket here, man. It's just going to rocket here. There it is. There it is coming into play, guys. There it is coming into play, guys. Want to see it happen now. Want to see it happen now. Nice dip by across the board, getting above 476.50. Want to see it start to rocket here, guys. Want to see it start to rocket here, ladies and gentlemen, to the top side. All the way to the top side, starting to take off now, guys. Want to see this continue. Want to see this really start to take off. High on this candle here was 9. Want to see it break 9. Bang it out, baby. So starting to climb, starting to take off to it, guys. S&P, want to see you break out and take off, baby. Don't want to see no higher lows. Don't want to see no upper shadows. Just want to see it take off. Hold above 476.50. Bink. It's right there, guys. There it is. Come on, baby. Let me hit these guys with a good yeah, buddy. Let me hit these guys with the best yeah, buddy ever. This mic thing is like very weird. Very weird one. I just basically want to see that I'm right. That's basically it. I just want to see it happen. It just keeps pushing it. I don't think we're going to get it right this second. I'm going to let this obviously play out down to the point. I don't think we're going to get it. I don't know if we're going to get it right this second. I'm not going to lie, guys. Right. And, you know, it just depends on this 476.50. That's what I got labeled out. If that pushes up and breaks, 17.034 is going to be looking like nothing. 17.034 is going to be looking like nothing. That's going to take off and break out. It's getting right up to it. I could see 17.40 coming in no time. 17.40 coming in no time. I could see S&P breaking that 476.50 mark in no time. Right, but just pushing up all the way up there. Right there's that upper Bollinger Band. I don't really use the Bollinger Bands too much. I use them on this chart just to kind of figure out where we're at. Right. But yeah, that's about it. Like maybe a little another dip buy, seeing it take off. Once again, this is all just me basically seeing if this play is correct. I know one of these times we break above that 476.50, it's going to take off. Which time is it? We'll see. So I want to see those highs come in. I want to see that high a day take off, man. That 034 is going to be that point it needs to break. It's going to be the last push, I think. Last push we got in us. Wow. NQ overall taken away first off. Want to see NQ overall continue to take off here. Don't stop. Don't hold out on us. Same with S&P. Let's see it. Let's see it here. Holding out. Holding out. Don't want to see it dip. Don't want to see the dip come. Want to see that green come in. Next candle. So close.
Stop filled.
Right. So basically back to where we were. I think $1 underneath. Guys, still chilling out on the day. So a little bit up, a little bit green. Guys, I do see a dip buy coming though. I'm not going to lie. The hourly and 30-minute, we are outside the Bollinger Band. Oh, okay. Okay. So yeah, I do still see a dip buy, but I had to get out of 17. We're breaking structure now. That was it. And I was already up on it. So can't complain. Cannot complain. Only took it with 5 micros. Didn't take it with anything bigger. Wasn't really feeling the bigger play. Bigger momentum play or whatnot. Yeah, with the time, especially it being 11 already, I mean, I wasn't liking it too much. If it was going to dip down below, right? So that's why I did have my stop loss there. So that's it, guys. Got in here for the breakout and above, and I do see it taking off somewhere around. Am I going crazy? Or is everyone seeing that right there, guys? Am I insane? Or is everyone seeing that right there, bro? All right, YB, how do you want to play this? How do you want to play this, YB? How do you want to play this? Oh my goodness, ladies and gentlemen. You want to talk about the perfect sell. You want to talk about one of the perfect sells in history. Yo, Grambo, bro. Grambo, bro. Oh my goodness, dude. Grambo, I kind of do. If you could please pass the crystal ball this way, let YB get in on some of that action. Because this is insanity. This is insanity right now, bro. If you guys were in on shorts, I mean, honestly, man, there's a donate button right there, baby. Let me get at least 10% of your profits at this point, bro. Because I'll be a millionaire. I'll be a millionaire today. Because I know you guys just banked, baby. Oh, my goodness. I'm kidding about that last part, guys. I'm kidding about that. But, dude, I mean, I'd be a millionaire because you guys just banked, bro. Give Grambo. Hey, Grambo, set up a donate button. Let these guys do it. They'll make you a millionaire today with those profits they just made. Oh, my goodness, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you guys caught that. I'm tempted for a dip buy now.
Order filled.
Immediately up on that. Wow.
I was supposed to go out there for like a semester of college, and I ended up never leaving. It's that energy on the dance floor that I think has, you know, helped house music completely thrive from there. There's definitely like the leftover hit vibes from the 60s and stuff.
Order filled.
I'll take another $30. I can't risk it, guys. I'm not willing to risk that much. I do think those shorts are going to take it away, guys. I do think those shorts are going to take it away. I'm going to be 100% honest with you guys. I think those shorts are going to come in, and they're going to be cash money, baby. So if any of you guys are holding shorts right now off of that point, I think you guys are good. Look at that trap pattern coming down. Wow, bro. Honestly, dude, that's the only word I got for this is wow, dude. Capital W, wow, man. All right, guys. So, yeah, ladies and gentlemen. By the way, it's so snowy out here. We just canceled our wrestling meet today. So, you know, we have no match. So the boys do not get to wrestle. Sad to say, but they already have one tomorrow and the following day. So, can't say much. All right, they got a lot of competition this week. They're gonna perform well. So, but let me tell you, ladies and gentlemen, wowzers. Yeah, I mean, I'm not up big on the day at all, man. It's a very small green day. Yeah. Yeah, Grambo, don't. I mean, dude, you're already up, man. The thing is, it's just today's like today, you're in sync with the market and everything. But then, you know, I feel like as you're in sync, you feel great and everything. It's all about your energy, bro. You come in tomorrow and you still feel in sync, you'll probably be in sync, right? You'll probably be in sync. You'll be in sync with the market. Maybe that first trade might be a little bit of like breaking the ice. But then after that first trade, that's usually what happens with me, bro. If you guys have seen, at least with myself, not trying to make it about me or anything, but like I'll take that first trade. It'll be an okay trade. And then like the next trades following will be like bangers. There'll be bangers out, and you know, you just go from break even, dash a little bit green to banging, you know what I mean? Banging green on the day and everything like that. And same for you, Grambo. Yeah. Yeah, dude, because you know, you might be up like 250, 150 day, whatever on 10 accounts. But then following up tomorrow, you might have like a $500 day on 10 accounts. You might have like, you know what I mean? It's like you usually, once you get that feeling, once you get that rhythm down, and I think that's how a lot of traders, it's okay to be consistent. For a lot of what happens is traders will get in their flow. They'll be consistent for a little bit of a while, and then they'll exit their flow. And then they'll wonder, oh, what happened? What happened? Is the market conditions changed? Did this happen? You just started to think differently. You exited your flow, man. Your energy started to, you know, portray different thoughts and everything like that. And a lot of traders don't think about that. They just think about the money, right? Or maybe something in your life. Like, there's a lot that goes into it that's kind of hard to really describe. It's trader basis. But yeah, that's the difference between good and great traders is you have to know that you're great. You have to know that you're a great trader. And Grambo, I'm not saying you don't know that. You probably know that. But, yeah, man, I mean, you know, wait till you're making those 1K, 2K days on 10 accounts, bro. They'll come. Oh, they'll come all right. Yup. 100%. 100%. That's why some days I'm not even here, bro. I don't know if you guys realize that 2024, I've been taking more time off. Not just because, like, for one, a lot of the times it's because of wrestling, or it's because of, like, market holidays like yesterday and stuff. But, like, it's just more time off and everything, you know? It's more like, it's more chill, I guess, right? It's because the more you sit here, and this is what I've learned. When I used to trade on those Sundays, when I used to sit here and trade on Saturdays, like not actually trade, but go back and rewatch and do all that stuff, go super deep into it, it's more stressful, right? That's when I start to lose hair. That's when you start to, you know, really, you know, rethink things. You start to, you know, stress a lot more. Dude, what is the point? What is the point in having millions of dollars if you're genuinely not that happy and you're just stressed, bro? I can have $10 million right now in the bank. But if I'm super stressed about business, I'm super stressed about that. Dude, give me 2 million and a less stressed life and I'm good. Right? Give me 2 million in the bank and way less stress and I'm good, dude. I'm good to go, baby. Give me 10K a month and way less stress rather than 100K a month and now I'm like super stressed out because of, you know, business or whatnot. You know what I mean? Like, no, dude, no. And I think a lot of the ultra wealthy, a lot of the really rich would agree. Hookers. That's why a lot of them do it. When you really think about it, sitting at home and watching TV for a lot of these really high profile, high digits, you know, traders and everything that are making hundreds of millions of dollars. They're not looking to just sit at home, relax and watch. No, bro, they're constantly active, bro. Like myself, it's hard sometimes for me to just like this weekend I didn't really have my computer all set up because of what was it? Because I was redoing everything, the floors were getting redone and everything like that. So yeah, I didn't have it hooked up and it was just kind of like it was weird. I was like, okay, what do I do? Like do I just lay here? Do I just like what do I do? Can I go and do this? Can I do that? So then yeah, it was very weird, right? Obviously I kept myself occupied and busy, but I can't just lay here, dude, all day, man. It's very much just not me. Like I need to be doing something, bro. Whether it is a strip club in Florida or whether it's, you know, chilling out, you know, going outside and or, you know, going and doing something, bro. I don't care what it is, honestly. You know? Give me some freaking, yeah, no, I'm kidding. 10K a month is $250 a day on 2 funded accounts. Try my strategy. I'm not against it. I'm up on 2 funded accounts. Yeah, dude, like 10K a month, that's not bad. The thing is, though, it's really, like, this is not that stressful once you get the hang of it, man. Once you really get the hang of it, it's really not that stressful. Like, once you have your strategies in place, it's kind of chill. Like, I'm not looking for plays. Plays are coming to me. I'm not sitting here scalping looking for plays, right? I'm like, okay, comes down to my 200, my view up levels, I'll take a long, right? Hey, look, Bank City. Hey, look, hey, we break 1700, maybe I'll take a play here. Eventually it broke and it did take off and rip and run, and I'm glad I did get filled on the re-entry, right? First time broke, didn't really get filled. Second time broke, okay, got filled. This time right here had a nice dip. This was a random play I kind of took. This was very random. I don't usually take these, but made it quick, like 30 bucks. Well, 50 bucks. Okay, I'll take it. So yeah, it's not stress. I'm not stressed at all, trading wise or anything like that, right? Thing I've realized though is that as humans create problems when you don't have problems, right? I bet you right now, if you went up to your spouse, your significant other, you gave them $10 million, like you never have to work a day in your life, and here's a beautiful house, go relax. I bet you $1 million they would have 1 million more problems with you than they've ever had before. I bet you $1 million that if you gave them everything they ever wanted and desired, they would have a problem with you. Why? Because that's the only thing they can create a problem about. And humans are designed to have problems. We are here to solve problems and constantly be in a cycle of creating them. Right? That is literally what human nature is creating problems. So that's why if you give someone everything they want, they'll create problems. And the problem's probably going to be you. They're going to be like, oh, what are you doing right now? What business trip are you going on? Blah, blah, blah. What are you going to do this? And blah, 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 that. They're not just going to be laid back, chill. Or they'll be like, oh, well, the house is super this. Oh, we got to do that and this. Create dumb problems. It'll be like, I'll just pay someone to come in and clean the house. They're like, no, blah, 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 or something like that. I'm just saying, I'm not saying this is my life. They're like, why be getting personal up in here? Huh? But, no. I'm just saying, guys. So, like, you know, high stress situations aren't always terrible. That's basically what I'm trying to relate this to. I don't know where I got off topic, but that's what I'm trying to relate this to. All right. High stress situations, for some people, we thrive. For other people, not their cup of tea. But everyone needs a sense. Everyone has problems, and everyone needs problems in their life. I'm not saying everyone needs significant problems. Maybe your problem is that, you know, the internet's down. Maybe your problem is that, you know, your business might be almost going under. Maybe your $10 million company is about to turn into $1 million company because you're losing one of your biggest clients. Like, that's a high stress situation compared to the internet's down. All right, let me tell you. Okay. so yeah, man. I'm definitely down to try that strategy out, Grambo. I think that'll be super cool. I want to grab a couple more of the accounts. That's how I don't think about stress works. If he dies, yo, this guy. yo, that is crazy, bro. That is hilarious, though, dude. Because that's what, I forget where it was. I think, what is it? I was at the doctor's or something. And that's what one of the nurses, like I think it was one of the anesthesists. He came in, right? He came in and he had this guy here or this girl, and he was like, "R.I.P. Rose. Like Rose is done for, guys. Get the morgue ready." As he's like driving her by, getting her ready for her surgery, bro. Right? I'm not even lying, bro. And like the nurse was laughing about it and everything. I was just kind of like, like what the fuck, like, because the girl's name was Rose. I was like, yo, bro, that is crazy. You guys are twisted over there, Grambo. Let me tell you, buddy. Grambo's like, yo, dude. Yeah, no, I wasn't there. I wasn't there for myself. I was there for a family member. Had to drive him. Oh, there goes NQ again, guys. There goes SMP. But yeah, I thought it was hilarious. I didn't know to laugh or to be like on edge. That's only the stuff you hear too. It gets worse. Yeah, this guy, he's like, trust me, buddy. He's like, you don't even want to know some of the things we say. Oh man, dude. I can only imagine how awkward it would be if you give someone anesthesia and they just don't go to sleep. They're just up and you're like, okay, count back down from 100, and they're like 199, and they get down to like, they're like 1 0, and you're like, wait, you're still awake? Be like, all right, well, hey, buddy, hey, all right, let's up that dosage. You know what I mean? It's like, oh, okay, all right, well, this guy, hey, you're a tough one, aren't you? Or if they wake up like mid-surgery, oh my goodness, that'd be so bad. Oh my goodness, I'm done thinking about it. I'm done. YB's done thinking. I can't think about that. Oh my gosh. Imagine, dude, like half your head's off and they're like operating on your brain and you wake up. You're just like, they're like, oh, hey, another dip by right there. Dang it, guys. Look at that perfect dip by. I don't know why I didn't take it. Perfecto dip by. Perfecto. Yeah, man, that's just my thoughts on it. I'd be like, that's why we chemically paralyze during surgery. Oh, okay. So is that like a whole nother thing? Okay. I got you. Chemically paralyzed. Yeah, now you're getting, dude, I can't even do needles, dog. Let me tell you. Grambo, let me tell you. YB can't even do needles, dude. You want to talk about a flu shot? I turn into like a 4-year-old, dude. I'm like, all right, bro, you got to do it over here. Someone talk to me, dude. I'm like, someone talk to me while you're doing it. I'm like, I can't even do needles, let alone... Yeah. All right. YB's not built for that life, let me tell you. I see too much blood. I'm looking over there. I'm like, yo, bro, I'm about to pass out for you. Let me tell you, buddy. I'm like, you are crazy. Right. Surgeons, man. I give kudos to them. Kudos to you guys out there. You know, you work with a lot of surgeons probably and stuff like that. So, kudos to you, man. You got, yeah. Oh, my goodness. Like, some people are probably like, YB, it's not that bad. It's like, it's just human nature. It's like, you know, but I can see like a deer, like, and I'm perfectly fine, but just a human, man, I just don't know. Like, I'll hunt, I have no problem with that type of stuff, but you know, YB's done. That's why I have a coke habit. Yeah, right. Crambo, slightly. I know Crambo is probably not kidding, honestly, dude. he's like Crambo's probably not kidding, and I'm not. And hey, man, listen, buddy. Go to Florida, some things happen, all right? I got you, buddy. Living in Tampa, high stress situation, all right? You're a sock trader. This is literally, I think that's part of the job, guys. You know? No, I'm kidding, guys. I'm kidding. I mean, I normalize the usage of that. No, I'm kidding. It's all jokes, ladies and gentlemen. All jokes around here. Jokes. Double bottom on him. There it goes, taking off. Possible 5-minute bear flag on NQ. Yup. Starting to come back up here. Want to see what happens, guys. Nothing for myself as of right now. perfect double bottom dip buy right near that 200 right there, right near that 200 right there. Your stop loss would have been underneath the VWAP, so probably 900. Below 900, you would have had about a 40-point stop. Your takeoff point, you'd be looking now for high day. So you'd been looking right now, you'd be up probably about 60 points off that. You're looking for probably 750 again. I'm gonna mark 750 here. That's what you're looking at if you guys got in on that dip. 750 is what you're looking for here, guys. Anything above 750, I see new highs coming in, guys. So now it has to get up there in the first place. If it breaks 1700, let me tell you, if it doesn't break 1700, oh no, get your stop losses ready, guys. I'm looking for a cheap R6, man. Are bikes cheap down in Florida? Let me know. I'm looking for a cheap R6, guys. Just because I don't want to buy a new one and then, like, crash it. Or, like, you know what I mean? I'm not saying I'm going to crash or anything. But I'm looking for, like, a cheaper one just because, like, if I do dump it, you know. Your boy can't complain. What about an FC6? That's like almost like a naked. Actually. Give me a second. Oh my goodness. Well, that's a girl bike and a half, but that's pretty cool. Yeah, guys, I'm looking for a decently cheap, because, like, if I crash it, I don't want to lose value. Like, I'm very picky with that kind of stuff, guys. I am very picky with that kind of stuff. I don't know why. Super picky. But then, like, a car, dude, I'm willing to spend, like, this one right here, bro. Super sexy Mercedes-Benz. What is that? AMG GT. Look at that, guys. Hold up. Let me show you guys. Let me see if you guys can see this. Hold up. Like, I'm super picky with bikes, but then, like, a car, bro, I'd be like, all right, dude, 100K, that's not bad. That's honestly cheap. I'd be like, that's bad. That's not bad. Look at that. That's from one of these groups I'm in. Hope you guys see that. You guys see that? Look at that. Yeah. So, like, you guys know what I'm saying. RVSN, there's your crack. Oh, my goodness, RVSN, guys. Like I said, underneath that 50-day, underneath $2, sell out, guys. And look at that indeed, guys. So hopefully you guys got out of RVSN if you guys were in for the longs. If you guys are in the shorts, you guys are banking right now, man. 7 days a week, fresh out of high school, out the shower. Whatever you got to say, man. Getting it going. Getting it going, man. All right. Beautiful play. Huh. Nothing really happening too much here, guys. Double bottom there on NQ, starting to come back up above 1700. You guys can look for new high days. So waiting and watching here, guys. Yeah, I'm just looking. Look at this McLaren. Nah, 5.7. I don't know, man. I don't know. Is that the one I'm thinking of? I don't think that's the one I'm thinking of. No. Oh. No. No. No, no, no. What am I thinking of? Am I thinking of the 740? Hold on. Oh yeah, 720S. That's what I'm thinking of. I'm thinking of the McLaren 720S, guys. One of the fastest cars out there, bro. Let me tell you, they'll probably break down on you. That's what I've heard. I've heard a lot about those. Heard a lot about, well, obviously, price point's not the best always. But you're looking at, yeah, right there it is, like 300K. But, yeah, that's why we trade stocks, okay? Let me tell you. No, guys, but I heard a lot about them. One thing I heard about them is that I was in a couple groups, obviously. Not, I'm in these groups. I'm just looking. Obviously, I'm not looking to buy one, but I like looking, and if something comes about. But, what is it? Yeah, man. Yeah. It's just crazy to think about, man. When you really think about these cars, you need a backup car for this car. You're spending $300,000 on a car, and it's as reliable as a freaking Jeep Wrangler. All right, no offense to any Wrangler fan, anyone has a Wrangler, but it's as reliable as a like an old like a car with 400,000 miles, bro. But you're spending like 300K on it, so you need like a McLaren for your McLaren, bro. So it's like you're putting up 200K, might as well put up 400 and get another one, So that's the truth. Let me tell you. That's the truth. Let YB tell you about it. Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know, guys. I think I like nakeds. I think I'm a naked kind of guy. I like naked bikes. You guys get what I'm saying? There it is, guys. Right there's a push above 1,700. Coming back up. I'm looking for that 50 mark now, ladies and gentlemen. You're looking for that 50 mark. If you guys are in on it, you guys are good to go. If you guys are not in on it, ride this trend line up if you really want to get filled. I'm not getting filled myself. I think I'm more or less done on the day, but you put that there, ladies and gentlemen, there it is. So Grizzly Gaming, hope you got out of that trade there, buddy. Hope you got out of RVSN. Looking good for another short opportunity coming up into play. Yeah, ride that trend line up, guys. That's it. That's it. A very simple, very easy play. Very simple, very easy play. Don't want to force anything on it. You know what I'm saying, guys? You know what? I don't speak a lick of Spanish. I don't even know why the Spanish is going. I don't speak a lick of Spanish. Okay? There we go. All right, we're good now, guys. So, coming back up and into play. Bill auction at 11:30. Okay, in about 6 minutes. Okay, we got a bill auction coming out. What was that last time, man? We had an auction come out last time. I think it was 1 o'clock or something. Had a pretty good effect on the market. I want to say that was bond yield auctions. Yup, bill auction coming out. Yup. Okay. I want to say that was bond auctions. That was the 30-year. The 30-year bond auction. It came out around, I want to say 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. And that did have a decent effect. The 30-year, okay. That did have a decent effect on the market, guys. So we got about 6 minutes here, guys. 6 minutes here until bill auctions come out. We're going to see if that has any effect on this market. See if we get a push. This shouldn't move the market. Okay. Yeah, let me check on my economic calendar. Right. Hey, if you're trading Canadian markets, they just had their inflation rate, core inflation rate come out. So, guys, this is one of my favorite economic calendars, and everything just came down. Okay. Okay. One second, guys. There we go. It's one of my favorite economic calendars. It shows you everything for the day, and it also shows you what the effect is going to be. So I'll make sure to link this for you guys here. But yes, it shows you it all. So as you see, Canada core inflation rate year over year came out. That was very high effect. We have nothing for USA coming out that has a high effect today, as you see. You go to 11:30, 3-month bill auction, 6-month bill auction, and they're all low effect on the market. So you can click on it and see the historical rate of, like, what it looks like, and then what the effect is as well. So nothing crazy on it. All right. So that's why I like that. That's why I prefer that.
such a boy is.
Let me link this here for you guys, pasting it. So there's that economic calendar for you guys. So you guys click on that. Should come up. It's called the Daily Fix. And I use that. It says, don't be a U.S. resident. You just got to click, I'm not a U.S. resident. And, you know, you can use it. I'm sure they just had to put that in for some reason. What's crazy is they don't want U.S. residents using it, but then they link.
Me or I go Houdini.
So, yup, ladies and gentlemen, that's where that's at. I'm looking for an MT-07, guys. I'm not even gonna lie. I am looking for or an FC. An FC-07 is also good. Right here's one. Not against it. They're so nice, dude. Oh, they're so nice, bro. They're such nice bikes, dude. Such nice bikes, bro. I love that naked style, man. I just can't get behind. I don't mind the sport bikes, man. Those nice, you get your R6s, you know what I mean, dude. Whatever it may be, whatever it is. You know, it's super nice. They look cool. They look pretty badass. But talk about a 3-hour ride, and your back's gonna be aching. All right, talk about, you're going a couple, 100 miles or something, bro. You're not gonna make it. You gotta take a pit stop. You gotta give your back like a 30-minute break, or if you are gonna make it, you're gonna have back problems when whenever you stop. You're gonna be like, oh my goodness. So yeah, I don't know, man. I just can't get behind that. I just don't like bikes I can't ride for very long. A naked, I can ride all day, baby. I'll be sitting there like this, leaning back on it. No problem. I have no issue with that. Zero issue with that. Rather get one now, just because it comes summertime, man. They're gonna be, obviously. Second, guys. Taking a look here. Taking a look here, guys. Alright. Sorry, guys. I seen a bike and I was like, whoa. Pretty good offer. Alright. Yeah, guys. 11:31, guys. YB has had a fun day, but I think that's it. Alright, so very small green day. Can't complain on it, man. Just nothing really too much happened in this market. These pushes were beautiful, guys. If you guys took these low dip buys, ladies and gentlemen, you guys caught the perfect dip buy on the day. I think one of the perfect dip buys on the day at least. Guys, keep out watch. If you guys are in RVSN, any of my people over on YouTube.com, Tradecaster.com, you guys are in on this for the shorts coming in. Beautiful, beautiful play, guys. Keep an eye on NQ for this push up to 50. through it and for some more. Same with S&P above 476.50. Push it through it for some more. Ladies and gentlemen, man, I love you all. I hope you've had a fun time hanging out with YB. New setup on the way. Got to rearrange a couple things, man. Got to, fix up a couple things as well because, I don't really, I don't mind the setup right now. Kind of is pretty cool, pretty neat, but want to get some more cable organization going on here, okay? Everything like that. So, love you all, man. Hopefully you guys have had a great day. Hit me with a good yeah, buddy, if you have. In 3, 2, 1. Yeah, buddy. Ladies and gentlemen, I love you all. I'll see you back here around 9:15, 9:30 a.m. EST tomorrow, man. Take it easy. Stay disciplined. Stay profitable. Stay consistent. Peace.
Your misery, I put good dick all in my kidneys. This smart gel don't come with no jealousy. My illness don't come with no remedy. I am so much fun without Hennessy. They just want my love and my energy. You can't talk no shit without penalties. Bitch, I'm in your shit if you suffer me. I'm going to glow up one more time, trust me. I have magical foresight. You gon' see me sleeping in courtside. You gon' see me eating 10 more times. Ugh, you can't take that bitch nowhere. Ugh, I look better with no hair. Ugh, ain't no sign I can't smoke hair. Ugh, yeah, give me the chance and I'll go there. Bitch, I said what I said. I'd rather be famous instead. I let all that get to my head. I don't care, I paint the town red. Bitch, I said what I said. I'd rather be famous instead. I let all that get to my head. I don't care, I paint the town red.